Hello guys and welcome to David Zimaleta. In today's video I'm gonna show you Paul's RV truck. He is really awesome and he brought this thing all the way from Florida. Let me introduce it to you.
I can sleep on that bed like that, but it's a lot nicer if I can watch this.
Wow, that is nice. So you got plenty of room now.
Yeah, and then that it's like a click clack.
So you like to sleep here or you sleep up here?
No, she sleeps up there.
Who does?
My wife when we're
Your
traveling.
wife? Okay.
Yeah.
So she's staying home for now.
Yeah.
And you got like a kitchen area
I
here.
sleep here, and we use these things called Travisacks, which is kind of like see that blue thing? It's kind of like a sleeping bag, except well, you can unzip it all. You can unzip it all the way around, but you can unzip it down either side or both sides, and they have sheets that go inside with Velcro, which makes it really easy. So
It is.
So all I have to do is pull that thing down, lay it out, and we're
Got beautiful looking seats. I mean, they literally look like Mercedes seats.
yeah. And I've seen some of the other ones that I looked at when we were searching, and I didn't notice when they had the leather interior until we actually saw it, because
It appears to me it's they custom made and sold the stuff and put it over the seats.
yeah, I'm sure Winnebago did it
Yeah.
as an option. And some people have reupholstered these seating surfaces with leather, but we don't need that.
Yeah, that's good. Good enough.
So just to finish the tour real quick, sink obviously. 3-burner propane stove.
Wow. That's big.
Yeah,
Normally just see one.
yeah. And a good sized fridge with a separate freezer.
Is that a 12 volt?
No, it's 110 or propane.
Wow.
So you just run it on auto, and if you lose 110, then it just lights up on propane automatically.
Cool.
And so in here, see, it was dropping off a few times running on propane down the road, but I have these big ice blocks in there. So, but it'll come right back down now that I'm on electrical power. You know, pretty good cabinets and so forth.
It's pretty tall inside. It's really
Yeah.
nice. You have so much headroom.
Yeah,
Is this like for a canopy?
that's for the TV antenna.
Oh, it is.
Yeah,
Cool.
which has an amplifier also.
So you have a microwave
Convection.
connection.
Yeah, convection microwave.
Wow.
So you can bake in there like, you know.
That
as
is
well as-
amazing.
Yeah. And here's the control thing. I've got an electric water heater, a propane water heater. When you put them both on, if you want hot water really quick. And then here's the tank level check. Well, I'm not quite full on fresh water. I used some earlier today. I'm somewhere between. It's blinking on full, so it's still pretty full.
Where do you get fresh water? Garden hose?
Yeah.
I have a long enough garden hose. We could bring it out here, fill it up if you need to.
I have, yeah. If and I have a filter with a little hose extension on it, and you know, if I'm going to be in a campground for a few days or a week, then I've got a hose underneath in the utility bin there where the sewer valves are and everything, which I can hook up and leave hooked up. But,
That's very nice.
okay. Pantry here.
Oh, cool.
And I just put these little LEDs on because it's kind of dark in there as it goes way back. Got a closet here for hanging clothes.
Wow. That's a big closet.
Pretty big.
Because it goes all the way in.
Goes all the way to back here.
Yeah.
And while I'm here, Let's get these out. Can you put that on the table?
Yes. Oh, these are the parts.
Some of them. It's got a full, they call that a...
So much lights.
They call that a dry shower. Yeah, but in the, and that's one other thing I did was I replaced all of these bulbs with LEDs.
So is this like a LED light or is this like
it's a skylight.
Skylight, okay.
Yeah, but in really warm weather, if you're not in the shade, it gets pretty warm back here.
I bet it does.
Yeah.
Well, you got a really nice RV.
Yeah. For what we do, for two people.
Oh yeah, plenty of space here.
Okay, let's...
You could really travel in comfort. Hey guys, was looking at this TCM and look at that guys, it's full of oil because the 13-pin connector was leaking. So I recommended to actually take a look at this and check it out guys. When those things leak, the adapter plugs, 13-pin connectors, they actually do push oil all the way through, up all the way underneath the seat to the TCM and get your connectors wet, causing the short in the TCM and then your transmission go into limp mode and to be in second gear. Hi guys, want to make a short little video of my project that I just did today. I had a really interesting customer that came. I don't know if you want to be in the video, but this is
Who cares?
the president of the Porsche Club in Germany. And he was so kind to drive here all the way from Florida, brought his van, this beautiful RV. So we did a pretty big service on this van. Everything was actually replaced pretty much in the front end, short of actually replacing the hydraulic pump pulley. Everything else was actually replaced. It runs really good. It had a complete transmission service done, and the rear differential fluid was replaced. So, are you happy so far?
So far.
Okay, I think we should go on a test drive.
Yep.
And the test drive went really well. No check engine lights on. That's a parking brake. Here's a really cool system that Paul is using. It tells you all kinds of things. And there you go. Everything's well. That's the water. He's got AC running. So everything is looking good. Well, Paul, see you later. Thank you for coming.
Yeah.
Say hi to your friends from me.
I will do.
Yes, sir. And there you have it, guys. Another happy customer leaving my shop. By the way, my shop is going to be done in like 4 weeks, not 5 months like I was told. So I'm in a rush to get the concrete done and put my shop in. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. God bless you. Bye-bye. So Paul is getting ready to leave. Looking over his maps. Got the Garmin. Headed for Sumter. Sprinter has 100,000 miles on it. It runs beautifully. There was a lot of work that was performed. Transmission fluid was really dark brown. Some copper shavings, lots of metal shavings on the magnet and on the speed sensor. So a lot of work was done to this truck. So hopefully it serves Paul well. Paul, if you're watching this, thank you for coming. We appreciate you. God bless you, and you take care of yourself. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Paul. Thank you for coming. See you next time.